Welcome to the user guide of Quick Mobil App by NKGSB Co-operative Bank. Want to add beneficiaries for account from another bank? This is how you can do it. Open the Quick Mobil App and click on Manage Beneficiary. Click on Other Banks and click on the plus sign. Add the mandatory information. Add IFSC code and receiver's bank account number. Then click on Submit. You will receive an OTP. Enter it and click on Submit. You have successfully added beneficiaries for another bank. It will be activated after 30 minutes of the process. To ease up your banking needs, download Quick Mobil App. Available on Android and iOS.